The following are key lessons you can learn from Akkad, the richest man in Babylon. The ancient Babylonians were the first people to discover the universal laws of prosperity. Their secrets for creating, growing, and preserving wealth. These 7 financial lessons are compiled from what Akkad called 7 cures for a lean purse. Start your purse to fatten. Start fattening your financial accounts. The key is saving at least 10% of all income earned. Control your expenses. This is learning to live within your means and avoiding lifestyle inflation. Make your savings multiply. Your wealth should extend beyond your income. Put your money to work by making smart investments and taking advantage of time and compounding interest. Guard your treasure against getting lost. Protection of principal from loss. Keep a diversified, balanced portfolio. Own a home. Makes more sense to make payments that will eventually become equity rather than giving money to a landlord. Rather than getting sucked into renting versus owning. Ensure your future income, retirement planning, and insurance. Increase your ability to earn. Improving your skills will put yourself in a better position to more money. Now remember to pay yourself first, investing your money well, and make informed investment decisions. This book is for the person who wants to acquire financial success. A few simple yet insightful stories will give you an understanding of money. Remember to take actions and pay yourself first. Support the channel. Please subscribe.